Hey, Gordon, I want to go to Chuck E. Cheese. No, we're not going Chuck E. Cheese.
It's not open yet, Justin.
Why? This isn't a joke?
It's not open.
It's not a joke, said Gordon. Why? I want to go to Chuck E. Cheese. We not go to Chuck E. Cheese. It's closed. But why not? Because Chuck E. Cheese is closed. I want to go to Chuck E. Cheese right now. Because Thomas, we're not going to Chuck E. Cheese right now. We got dinner. I don't hate dinner. I want to go to Chuck E. Cheese. You finish your food, I'm going to take Chuck E. Cheese. No. Yes. I hate dinner. I want to go to Chuck E. Cheese. Thomas, you are acting it. You are go to shit right now, and you staring. I know, you staring. That's it. I'm going to Joe in the dinner. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Tom, it's the tank engine. How dare you join the dinner? That's it. You are grounded, 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 grounded alive. Go to a shed right now. When